Hey, I'm Herb and welcome back to On The Clock's Tips and Tricks video series. Tired of pins and passwords slowing down your punch process? On The Clock's fingerprint reader makes it fast and secure for employees to clock in and out with just a touch. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to get up and running, from downloading the software and syncing it to your account, to enrolling employee fingerprints and adjusting your settings for the best performance. Whether you're installing the fingerprint reader for the first time or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. So log into your On The Clock account and follow along as we show you how to set up and maintain a fingerprint reader.
To get started, you'll want to go ahead and log into your On The Clock account. Next, go ahead and click on Help in the top corner and choose Help Directory. In the search bar, type in fingerprint reader and click Search. So there's two help articles I want to bring your attention to. Theirs is all about fingerprint reader as well as software downloads and troubleshooting. First, we're going to go ahead and start by referencing this one right here, software downloads and troubleshooting. Under setup, you're going to notice we have fingerprint reader download. We have 3 items. So we have the fingerprint reader software that you're going to go ahead and click to download to your computer. We have the OTC fingerprint reader quick install guide. I do recommend opening this up at the very beginning and referencing this as you go through this whole process. And then navigating back to this page, we have our care and maintenance for the fingerprint reader that you can reference as well. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by downloading the fingerprint reader software. You will need to be an administrator of the computer to download and approve this download. You'll see that the fingerprint reader software extension downloaded right here. Go ahead and click on this. And you're going to notice that you get this pop-up saying Windows protected your PC. Go ahead and click on More Info and then choose Run Anyway. The next thing you're going to notice is this Welcome to the On The Clock Finger Punch Setup Wizard. Go ahead and click on Next. You can choose to add the shortcuts, so go ahead and choose Next again. And then lastly, the user license agreement. Go ahead and accept the terms and the license agreement and choose Next again. You can go ahead and click Install. Once you have successfully installed the fingerprint software, you will see this icon. If you went ahead and allowed that shortcut, go ahead and click on the On The Clock finger punch icon. You will need your On The Clock account key to enter in to sync the software to your On The Clock account. To access your account key, you're going to want to log into your account. Inside of your account, go ahead and navigate to Settings and then choose Time Clock Settings. This is where you will find your account key. Go ahead and copy this string right here and paste that into the software download. Once your account key has been entered at this point, you may be prompted to reboot your computer. Go ahead and do so, and then click on this OTC finger punch icon. Now go ahead and click on this bar up here, and if you choose settings, you will now need to enter your password to your On The Clock account. Go ahead and click on OK, and now you will see you have 2 sections. You have employees as well as settings. Go ahead and start by double clicking on an employee name. You'll see that this employee does not currently have the fingerprint reader turned on for them, so go ahead and click Turn On and then do Add Fingerprint. Now the employee can go ahead and place their finger on the fingerprint reader and then have them do it one more time. And now this employee has successfully added a fingerprint. It is recommended that you add 1 fingerprint from each hand for an employee. And now we have completed a finger for each hand. I'm going to go ahead and click Done. You will notice under Settings, we have your account key listed here. We have the browser type, so this is how the OTC fingerprint reader will open up. You can choose to have it open up in an external web browser or internal. And then for fingerprint sensitivity, you can choose this to be normal, medium, or high. These give you the descriptions for what both of those. Right here, we give you the description for what each of these means. And once you're happy, go ahead and press Save Setting. Now, what you can do if you have your application open for the fingerprint reader, go ahead and have an employee come up and put their finger on the fingerprint reader. and the employee punch page will pull up for them like this. If you have any other questions on how to download the fingerprint reader software to your desktop or how to add employee fingerprints to your fingerprint reader, feel free to live chat with us or send an email to support@ontheclock.com.